In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an order in Shopify. Deleting an order is something you'll usually do when you've created a test order or made a clear mistake that you don't want cluttering your reports. It's important to remember that this action is permanent, so you only want to delete orders you're absolutely sure you no longer need. With that in mind, let's walk through the process step by step. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify account and you're in the correct store. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the Shopify dashboard. This is your main admin area where you can see an overview of your business, including sales, recent activity, and quick links. From here, we're going to move into the section where all your orders are managed. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, look for the menu. In that menu, click on Orders. This will open the Orders page where you can see a list of every order that's been placed or created in your store. You'll find information such as the order number, customer name, date, payment status, and fulfillment status. Next, find the specific order you want to delete. You can scroll through the list, or if you have many orders, use the search bar at the top to type in the order number or customer details. Once you've located the correct order, click directly on it to open the order details page. Take a moment here to double check that this is the right order, especially if you have similar orders or test orders. On the order details page, look for the option to delete the order. Depending on your screen size and layout, this may appear as a button or within an overflow menu, usually labeled something like More Actions. Click on Delete Order. When you do this, Shopify will not remove it immediately. Instead, a confirmation message will pop up asking you to confirm that you really want to delete the order. This confirmation step is important because once an order is deleted, it cannot be recovered. If you're absolutely sure, click on Delete Order again in the confirmation window. After this second click, the order will be permanently removed from your orders list. That's all there is.